Welcome, learners, to today's online class of computer science. As during this lockdown, we are taking only online classes, online tests, and other online support material. Sometimes it is live classes also. So, today in online class, we will review some SQL queries which we have studied in class 11th. As you know, SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is used to interact with a database management system. Few terms or definitions for you, go through them. That is how a table is described. It is a set of rows and columns, then a tuple or a record, horizontal part of a relation, attribute or column, it is vertical part of relation, then degree, number of columns in a relation, cardinality, number of rows in a relation. Now comes to the next slide. Here, when we have to deal with the database, first we have to create a database in the software, and which is done using the command create database and a database name. Here, create database sampledb will create sampledb named database in the directory. If you want to check all the databases, we can use show databases command. And if we want to work a particular database, we have to first open it using use command, and the syntax is use sampledb which we have created earlier. This will open that database for us. Now we can perform other commands. Now first of all, we have to create a table in that database, and for this purpose 3 create table commands are used. First command is used to create database simply with the field names, their types and size. This is an example, create table emp, where first field is enumber of type integer, second field is ename of type char and with size 20, third field is designation of type varchar and size 20, join date is of type date and salary is of type float. Then next command is create table command using keys, that is primary key or foreign key or other checks can be applied. See this command here, primary key is created on enumber and a check is applied on salary field, that salary needs to be greater than 0. Another command, a table can be created using a previously created table. For example, create table employee with field name, enumber, ename and designation, only 3 fields, and by selecting enumber and designation from emp table. Then comes to the next slide. Here, when a table is created, we can see its structure using desc command, desc emp. It will show all the fields along with your type, size and constraints applied on that table. Next, we can drop a table, that means delete a table using this drop command. It will delete entire table structure along with the records. If we want to add a new record in the table, new values in the table, then insert into command is used. Here is the syntax, insert into emp values. These are the values, some are written in quotes, some are without quotes. Remember, if the value is char, varchar or date, it must be enclosed in quotes, whereas numeric values or floating values without quotes. So this is the syntax, insert into emp values, then within round bracket the number of values as per the column specification of the table. Null value can be also inserted in the table, that is a record can be with null values. For example, here insert into emp enumber, name, designation, join date and salary values, where values are supplied, some values are written as null, they will be stored as null in the table. Then comes the next, if we want to change some value in the table, we can use update command. Update command is to change all the values. For example, update emp set salary equal to 1500, so it will change salary of all the employees to 1500. If we want to change few values or restriction must be applied, then we have to use update command with where clause. Update emp set salary equal to salary plus 100, that means the previous salary will be added by 100 only for those who are having salary as 1100. If the value of salary is 1100, then their salary will be incremented by 100. If you want to delete some records from the table, the delete command is used. For example, delete from EMP, it will delete entire records from the table. If you want to delete some selected records, the command will be delete from EMP where salary is less than 1500. The records having salary less than 1500 will be deleted. Then the next command is alter table command, which is used to change the definition of the table. That means to add a new column, to add an integrity constant, or to redefine the column size, its default value or its data type. That means a data type can be changed, its size can be changed, its size can be increased but not reduced if some values are inserted. For example, alter table command used to add new column is alter table emp add text number integer 3. Now a new field text number will be added of size 3 of type integer in the table emp. Next is alter table command to add integrity constraint. Here we are adding a primary key in the field e number. Alter table emp add primary key e number. This is the syntax of adding this, and this is all about the commands. So thank you.